Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing how to approve EPF KYC by employer. How to approve EPF KYC by employer. An employee provident fund contributions are made on monthly basis by both employee and employers, hereby encouraging employees to save a portion of their salary each month. Investments made by a vast number of employees across India are pooled together and invested by the trust. In EPF, the contributions are equally contributed by employee and employer for saving a portion of salary each month in EPF account for benefiting at the time of retirement. Whenever a new joinee joins the organization, he or she should be registered in EPF account and a new EPF account number will be generated with the company. After generation, the next follows is approval of KYC. KYC means Know Your Customer, which consists of the Aadhaar Number, bank account number and PAN account number, which is a mandatory process. Which means whenever a new joinee joins the organization, if the organization is registered under EPF, then the employer has to register the employee in EPF account, and a EPF number and a UN number will be generated by the company for the employee who joins the company. After registration, next follows is approval of the KYC. KYC means Know Your Customer, which consists of Aadhaar Number, bank account number and PAN number, which is mandatory for the process of EPF registration and approval. Now let us know and understand the process to approve EPF KYC by employer. Step-by-step process to approve EPF KYC by employer. Here we will be discussing both theoretical part as well as the practical part of approving EPF KYC by employer. Now let us start with EPF KYC by employer theoretically, later we will discuss about practical. First we need to open EPF portal, unified portal-emp.epfindia.gov.in, and in the establishment login, enter EPF username and password and click on sign in button. After logging into the portal, select member tab and click on drop down and click on the option approvals or approval KYC pending for DS or basic details change request. You can use this every time to approve KYC so that they can receive all the EPF benefits. So approval takes place in three places, that is approval option in member, approval KYC pending for DS in member tab, and also basic details change request in the member tab. So whatever the approvals you want to approve, you can approve in all these three options for different approvals. A new page will open with the name pending with 6 options, that is activity ID, type, records, view, approve, reject, error. First, before approving the KYC, it is better to check with the details submitted by the employee is correct or wrong. So for checking, click on view button under the option view. This will display all the KYC details of the specific employee. We need to follow either of the two processes if the details are correct or wrong. Correct option. After checking all the KYC details of the employee, if the details are correct, then click on DS KYC under the option approval or reject. A new window will open PDF signature, which will display details of the digital signature DS. And we need to put DS of the employer in the USB port. Then select the digital signature and click on sign PDF. Now again a new window will open asking to enter user PIN of the digital signature. After entering the user PIN, click on login. Then a small window will pop up as file signed successfully. Wrong option. After checking all the KYC details of that employee, if the details are wrong, then click on reject under the option approval reject. By following this process, the KYC of employees can be approved by the employer. So dear friends, now we have discussed the theoretical part, that is how to approve EPF KYC by employer. Now let us discuss in detail the practical part to approve EPF KYC by employer. Open Google search engine, type EPFO employer login. The website will be popped out. Click on the website. You will be directed to EPFO employer login portal. Enter user ID. Then click on sign button. Now you have entered the employer portal of EPF. Now we need to approve the KYC. For approving the KYC, we need to click on the member tab and click on drop down. In this option, we need to click on approvals. Here we can say there is no approvals. Then we need to click on the second option, that is approve KYC pending for DS. Here we can see 4 individual registration KYC pending for DS. There are 4 records. Before approving DS KYC, we need to check whether the details are correct or wrong. So click on the view button. These are the 4 KYC details of the employees who has been registered with EF. Bank accounts of 2 employees and PAN accounts of 2 employees. So in total there are 4 records or 4 entries. So all the 4 records or 4 entries are correct. So here we need to click on DS KYC. After clicking on the approve button, small dialog box will be opened which will ask you whether the DSC is connected or not. As we have already connected the DSC, click on OK button. Then the approve activity window will open where it will be taking some time to process for connecting with the digital signature. Now it will be popped out with for running of the process. Click on run. Now the digital signature PDF signature is displayed. Now we need to select the signature and click on sign PDF. File input stream array received. Click on OK. A small window will be popped up to enter the password for the e-token or the DSC which we have connected to the computer or laptop. Click on OK. Now it has successfully added the digital signature which is popped out saying that file signed successful. Click on OK. Now where we can see that no records are pending. But verifying, click on approvals again and check it out. There is no records found for approval, which means the records or the KYC has been approved successfully. So dear friends, now we have completed the practical scenario for approving EPF KYC by employer. Hope you understood step-by-step process to approve EPF KYC by employer both theoretically as well as practically. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.